Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. First of Safari series. Let's see how to draw a lion. Lion. A lion is one of among 5 big cats. It is the second largest cat, after tiger. Lions belong to the Felidae family. They are carnivorous, and they usually hunt big animals. The genus and subspecies of a lion are called Panthera leo. The name for lion in Swahili, an African language, is Simba. African lions are mostly found in sub-Saharan Africa. Lions live in savannas and grasslands, where plenty of food and water can be found. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A group, or pride, can be up to 30 lions, depending on how much food and water is available. Female lions are the main hunters, while the males guard the territory and cubs. Lions hunt for food every few days. They usually kill medium-sized mammals, such as zebra, deer and wild beasts. Male lions are much bigger than females, and they have large manes, or hair, which covers their head and neck and stretches underneath to their belly. Both male and female lions roar. They usually start off with a few long, deep roars followed by shorter, faster ones. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. A lion can run at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, but they are the laziest among all the big cats. They spend most of their time resting and can sleep approximately for 18 hours. An average female lion weighs 120 to 182 kilograms. Male lions are much bigger and heftier than female lions and weigh nearly 150 to 250 kilograms. The length of lions can be anything between 4.5 to 6.5 feet. The height of a male lion is about 70 to 85 inches, and that of female lions can be 60 to 75 inches tall. The territory of a lion can range anywhere from 260 to 300 square kilometers. The name for a baby lion is a cub, whelp, or leonette. The newborns have spots or stripes that disappear within 9 months. The cubs are vulnerable to predators like leopards, hyenas, and black-backed jackals and have a mortality rate of 65 to 70%. The digestive system of lions is pretty fast, which is why they go for a hunt not long after they've devoured the previous kill. Lions do not chew. They directly swallow the food after chopping or ripping it apart from the body of their prey. very sharp-sighted, as they have 5 times better eyesight than human beings. Lions are the national animal of Ethiopia, Kenya, Libya, Luxembourg, North Macedonia, the Netherlands, Norway, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Togo, and England. These majestic big cats, especially the African lions, are also threatened due to a loss in their natural habitat. Lions are at a high risk of poaching. It is due to the illegal hunting of lions for their bones. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.